Welcome to Free Stuff Friday, where I review and install stuff sent to me for free simply because I'm a YouTuber. So what was sent to me this time is the Aroma Planet car diffuser set from Daily Lab. This kit came with two of these different colored holders that hold the diffuser or the freshener, and it also came with 6 of these cartridges that also have 3 different scents. So some real quick hits of this video. Am I glad they sent this to me for free? Yeah, sure, it's cool. It's good to have an air freshener. Would I buy this myself? No, I wouldn't spend this much money. I'm just too cheap. But should you buy it? Well, let's dig in and find out. So Daily Lab is marketing this as a luxury air freshener, which you definitely have to pay luxury prices for it. As of right now, if you wanted one of these, it's like 65 bucks. If you wanted the 2 kit that I got, it's closer to 100 bucks. So you gotta be ready to pay that much money. So of course I asked them before I actually took this on as a video review, like what makes this special and what makes it a luxury brand? Well, I guess it's 100% essential oils and it's safe for pregnant women, safe for babies, stuff like that. And it's even supposed to relieve car sickness. So those are all good things for sure, and if it actually does relieve car sickness, I mean, that'd be really good, but you know, I'm a little skeptical of that, of course, but I mean, if you've actually used these yourself and you found that it does help, leave a comment section down below. So what are the good things about this? Well, of course, like any air freshener, it's easy to install. You just slide it right into your air vent. This one looks pretty nice. It does blend into your dash very well. It's almost like not noticeable that it's there. So it's kind of better than just like, you know, a tree dangling from your rearview mirror or something. Seems odd to say about an air freshener, but it is pretty good quality. So hopefully you are kind of getting what you pay for. This kind of is magnetic. It kind of snaps in place. It seems like a pretty solid piece. So that's good. And of course they actually do smell pretty good. So that's good. You want that in your air freshener. You want that to, you know, smell good. And the fact that it comes with these 6 total, you know, refill cartridges, that's good too, because that means it can actually last you quite a long time, hopefully. I've had this for about 3 weeks so far, and of course this one's still smelling pretty good, and it's only been the 1 cartridge. And the only bad, of course, I would have to say is the cost. It's just pretty damn expensive. So initially when I put this in my car, I would say that it was almost a little overpowering when I turned the heat on or had the fan on high. It seemed like I could really notice that there was a stronger smell, and I'm kind of like, what's that smell? I'm like, oh yeah, I put this air freshener in my car. But I will say after just a couple days, it kind of really didn't become too noticeable, or it was just a hint of like, oh yeah, that air freshener is in my car, and then it wasn't too bad. So that's a good sign. And honestly, that's about it. That's all the info I have on this product, but if they did give me an affiliate link, I'll have a link in the video description down below. And you know, if you have a baller budget for air fresheners, you might be able to save a little bit of money if you use that link. And of course, as always, I try to make my comment section useful, and the only way it's useful is if you help out. So if you did buy this, or if you have any other particular air freshener you really like, I don't know, leave a comment section down below. Let me know of your favorites, or if you bought this one, or if you bought something to help you with car sickness. I think that's actually a really cool thing. If you could find something that actually does kind of help you not feel sick on a long car ride, that'd be cool. So if you bought this and it helped you with car sickness, leave a comment section down below. And that's about it for this video. But of course, if you have a product you'd like to see reviewed in a video like this, send me an email, paul@boostedfilms.com. I just want to say that domestic violence is never okay. If you or someone you know is experiencing issues with a partner and doesn't feel safe, please visit the website thehotline.org or call 1-800-799-SAFE.